Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you another automation project that I have completed using Siemens TIA portal. In this project, I created the PLC ladder logic and the HMI design for an automatic door control system using 3 sensors and LED indicators. Let's take a look at how the entire system works. The automatic door system contains 3 sensors and 2 indicator lights. When someone stands in front of the door, sensor 1 gets activated and the door starts opening immediately, also the green LED turns on. This sensor works like a motion detector in real-life automatic doors. When the door reaches the fully open position, sensor 3 becomes active, then the door motor stops, the door remains open for 10 seconds. This pause allows the person to walk through safely. After 10 seconds, the door starts closing automatically. It continues to close until it reaches the fully closed position. When the door is completely closed, sensor 2 gets activated and the door motor stops, also the red LED turns on. The system resets and waits for the next person. So, this was my automatic door control project created in TIA portal using PLC ladder logic and an HMI interface. I used 3 sensors, timing logic, and LED indicators to simulate a real industrial automatic door system.